Most people don't fail to learn new skills because they're lazy. They fail because they don't know what to do next. One video says, start here. Another says, buy this course. A third says you need expensive coaching. By the time you figured out where to begin, you've already quit. Claude AI fixes that. Here are 5 ways to turn Claude into your personal learning coach. Number 1, build a custom learning roadmap. The hardest part of learning something new isn't the work, it's figuring out where to start. Tell Claude, I want to learn beginner guitar in 90 days while practicing 20 minutes a day. Build me a week-by-week roadmap starting from absolute zero. Instead of random tutorials and guesswork, you'll get a step-by-step progression designed around your time and your goal. Number 2, learn at your level. Ever watch a tutorial that loses you halfway through? Claude lets you change the difficulty instantly. Try this. Explain this concept like I'm a complete beginner. Then explain it again, assuming I already understand the basics. It's like having a teacher that automatically adjusts to your pace. Number 3, create practice quizzes on demand. You don't need a workbook, you don't need flashcards, you don't even need a study guide. Just say, quiz me on what we just covered. Give me 5 questions with a mix of easy and difficult. Instant feedback, anytime you want it. Number 4, turn mistakes into lessons. This might be the most powerful feature of all. Paste in the math problem you missed. Paste in the sentence you wrote in Spanish. Paste in the coding error that's driving you crazy. Then ask, show me exactly where I went wrong and explain how to avoid this mistake next time. Most people learn from repetition. The fastest learners learn from mistakes. Claude helps you do that immediately. Number 5, accountability. Learning isn't usually hard. Consistency is. Tell Claude, each day I'll tell you what I practiced, track my streak, and tell me what I should focus on next. Now, you're not learning alone anymore. You've got a coach that responds to your progress instead of a generic habit tracker that doesn't know what you're working on. That's the real shift. Claude isn't replacing teachers. It's removing the moments where people usually quit. The confusion, the overwhelm, the feeling of not knowing what to do next. If you've been putting off learning something because you didn't know where to begin, this is your sign. Pick a skill, open Claude, build your roadmap, and start today. If this helped, hit subscribe for daily real-world Claude AI workflows. See you tomorrow.